Behind a seamless marble door lies a space few will ever see, the billionaire's private sanctuary. This isn't just a bathroom, it's a masterpiece of design and discretion. Italian marble from floor to ceiling, ambient lighting that adjusts to mood, and a fully automated toilet crafted in Japan, responding to voice commands with silent precision. Aromatherapy, surround sound, temperature-controlled everything. In this space, luxury isn't loud, it's flawlessly quiet. Because for the ultra-wealthy, even the smallest room makes the biggest statement.